Welcome again to my channel. In this episode of Home Robotics, I will be building a model aircraft. In this case, it'll be the Mig-25 Foxbat, which is one of my favorite Soviet era fighters. I have a laser cutter that's on loan from a friend, so I'll be using that to cut out the pieces. I initially started off with a diagram of the Mig-25 and then transferred all the points to a vector graphics file, and then from there proceeded to laser cut. The material I used was MDF, and I secured it together with super glue. Other materials may be used, such as a 3mm ply or even 3mm cardboard. Just take note of the glue you're using with these materials. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.